So, to me, the question is what happens next? And I think there's roughly three things that are happening this year that will presage that. The first is infinite context windows. The context window is your query. And with an infinite context window, think of it as short-term memory. You can take the answer, feed it in, ask another question, feed it in, ask another question, feed another, and you can do sort of chain of thought reasoning that way. It's a simple way of going from a language to language question to something which is much deeper. You can have thousands of steps. I want to build a house. What do I have to do? First, you have to consult planning rules. Tell me what the planning rules are. Okay, given those planning rules, what kind of architect do I want? Okay, how do I select the architect? Okay, what kind of a house do I want to buy? And you see how it does it in a series. The context windows can be as big as feeding it 50 books. Read all the books, tell me the answer. It's very, very powerful. Second is what are called agents. And agents can be understood as systems with memory. I don't know about you, but I find it very annoying that the thing doesn't remember the context of my question. Agents basically remember what it's done so far, and then they produce a new result. And the third is what I call text to action. And I don't know about you all who manage programmers, but the programmers that work for me never do what I want. They do whatever they want. So in this case, you tell the computer what you want and it does what you wanted. It actually writes the code. And there's evidence that this, in my lifetime, will probably replace most programmers, which is bad news for programmers, but good news for the rest of you, because programmers are kind of obnoxious and expensive and all that stuff. Speaking as a computer scientist programmer. So those three, which I think are occurring this year, set up a very interesting set of questions. And I'm just going to assert that those three are going to occur. They're going to happen, you're going to use them, they're going to be powerful, you'll like them.